Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. This is video number 8 on Natasha Denona, Focus Palette continuation. And I am so sorry if you could hear them drilling outside because it's been really windy and they are drilling. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes and I'm hoping they will finish. If not, this is what it is, umu manu, and we're gonna deal with it. We're gonna continue because I'm not gonna let that be an excuse to stop me from recording. So let's go. All right, so my eyes are primed and prepped with tape as usual, just have a very precise line. And today I actually want to go in with, I'm actually gonna go with nudist, which is this light pink, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over the lid. And as usual, really not too sure as to what type of look I'm gonna go for, but we're just gonna do it. We're gonna wing it. So, just tapping nudist on up to about right there. This is very, kind of like a pastel pink gorge color gorge. As usual, just building up to the intensity I want it. Now going in with the fluffy brush, just to really fluff out the crease and just to blend it out. And then that is it. Do I want to add more? Such a gorgeous everyday color. Let me just pack on just a smidge more. Right in the inner corner. Yeah. Then going with the fluffy brush, just to blend out. Perfect. Next, going in with my unicorn liner brush. If I can find it. Here we go. This guy, that one. And I'm actually going to dip into exotic. Now with this one, coming out to like, because I really want to elongate my eyes. Down, just like that. Just really creating that, and there they go again with the freaking, I don't know what they're doing in the market. Really getting that corner in with this exotic. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and, I don't know if you can hear the drilling, but it is ridiculous. And also do the, from the corner of my eye, and meeting it with the outer corner. Perfect. There we go. And I love this green because it is extremely like a very jade green. I would love it if she had a matte color of this green. Perfect. Just like that. Let me do the other eye and we will continue with whatever we're gonna do. All right, so this is where we are with the nudist and the exotic, sorry. And I'm actually gonna fluffy brush dip into the exotic and slowly but surely get enough pigment on there and just begin to do the corner and really begin to just build that up into the V a little bit. Freaking drilling again, I swear. And just begin to connect it to the outer portion. Perfect. There we go. Just build, build, build. And then just going right along the lash line and just blending up. And then it's getting a nice little gradient effect into the nudist. Perfect. There we go. So from this, sorry, it is really bright in here because of the natural lighting. So from this to this is what we're trying to achieve. So let me go do the same with the other eye, and then we will continue with this. So this is everything so far, and I'm actually going to dip back into the nudist with the fluffy brush. And I am just going to go ahead and go right up into the crease with it, just to blend into the exotic, to have a little more of that seamless flow and transition. Perfect. And then do the same to the other side. And dipping back into the nudist. Perfect. Put a little bit on the brow bone. And I actually want to dip into Cocoa, which is the only brown one here, with a more of a defining blending brush. And just really right in the corner. Very, very small and gently. And see if I could just darken it up just a smidge. Do that. Going with the blending brush and just blend that little portion out. Perfect. Obviously do the same on the other side. I gotta make them look like sisters. Right in the corner. Vaguely and faintly. Right along. Blender brush. Perfect. And then dip into the cocoa a little bit just to have that. Perfect. And that is the eyes for now. Let me go ahead and do my complexion, and we will be back and we will finish the bottom. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's kind of looking like a watermelon at the moment, which I'm kind of digging a lot. And then we shall go from there. All right, so we're back, complexion is on, and I am actually going to go ahead and finish up the bottom. So I'm actually going to go in with Psychedelic Sister by Urban Decay and do it right on the waterline, because I actually want to add a little bit of purple to this look. Just do it like that. Oh, it's been a while since I've had a liner down there. Oh, there we go. There we go. Add a hint of color. Let me go do the other side and we will feature a Pat McGrath eyeshadow that I really love. So, Psychedelic Sister in the waterline, and I am actually going to Purple Rain right on the lower lash line. I seriously hope Pat McGrath comes out with this palette again as a limited edition or something, because I need some more of that Purple Rain. And then just right along the lower lash line into the outer. Actually, I would love it if she created a mothership palette around Purple Rain. And then just go ahead and blend that out. Perfect. Of course, to intensify, just go back and add more. And I think this is a great combination with the Psychedelic Sister, because it has both have a little bit of that blue purple, but this Purple Rain just takes it to that next level I need it to go to. Perfect. There we go. Purple Rain. And I think for the brow bone, I'm going to go into... Do I want to keep it matte? I'm going to go into Pale Fire, actually, for the brow bone. A little mixture, Pat McGrath with a little bit of Natasha Denona. And then right above there. There we go. Just gives it that, oof. Yeah, that little special. Oof. And then I'm actually gonna do right into the inner corner. And blend it over. This is actually such a gorgeous color combination with the nudist. There we go. Just a little bit of some. Let me go and finish up the other eye and we will be back and we will see the final look. All right, so this is the final look with everything done. Yeah, so the nudist, Pale Fire, Purple Rain, Exotic, just like me. So for lip, going old school, Urban Decay, super saturated, a high gloss lip color, and Love Child. Discontinued, obviously, because every brand discontinues everything. So, it's a very, almost a posh pink. Soon in the center. And of course, Dreamscape Opulous Mini Opulous Gloss by Pat McGrath right on top. And oh, I bet this is already discontinued. Damn it. Because I love this gloss. There we go. So there you go, y'all. Video 8 of Tropic palette. I actually want to get to about 12 videos with this. So, of course, as usual, go to my Instagram. You can see the final look with the editing that I do for the shoots I do and stuff like that. And yeah, so 7, 8, 4 more videos, maybe 2 more. We'll see, because I really want to get into Pat McGrath as a palette focus next, because I have Rose Decadence that I want to dive more into and actually incorporate other palettes with it, because there are some beautiful, phenomenal looks. Especially this with the Rose Decadence palettes is actually phenomenal. So I'm going to recreate a look that I recently recreated. But yeah, so phenomenal palette. If you guys have it, here's a reference of some looks that I've done. A few more videos to come, and you guys can see the final edit on my Instagram, which will be down below. So yeah, bye.